Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
All right, Wear Test Wednesday. We have the Mizon Multifunctional Formula Snail Repair Intensive BB Cream. SPF 50 plus PA plus plus plus. I have mine in the shade 23. They only have 5 shades. Let's see. Formulated with 35% snail slime. That's descriptive. This hypoallergenic BB cream is reinforced with broad spectrum SPF 50 PA+++ sun protection, offering buildable coverage. It effectively blurs blemishes while correcting uneven skin tone to give skin a hydrating glow. Free of parabens and artificial fragrances, suitable for sensitive skin. All right, it is made in South Korea. It retails for $14. Right now it is on sale for $13.30 on EOS Style. And that is for 50 mils, so that's over an ounce. A Featherlight BB cream helps correct uneven skin tone while blurring the appearance of blemishes, infused with 35% snail extract to moisturize your skin for a hydrated glow. Features SPF 50 PA+++ sun protection to protect delicate skin. The hypoallergenic formula is free from parabens and artificial fragrance, suitable for sensitive skin. Spread gently onto face and blend to desired coverage. For this side of my face, I have I believe it's Hank and Henry. I could be wrong. Okay, unnamed beauty sponge, dampened. And then for this side of my face, I have a BK Beauty 101 brush. Okay, so we pump that out onto the hand. It looks a little bit dark. I have dry hands. Wow, I need some lotion. Okay, well, lotion is next stop. It is looking a little bit dark, but we're kind of married to the plan right now. So let's see how we fare with the sponge side. Alright, we have great coverage, great redness cancellation, and it seems to look nice on the skin. So let's try the brush side. We are going to have to drag it all the way down our neck here. Run it back there. Alright, I'm going to pounce this out with the sponge. Alright, I looked in the 10X. I'm looking for the flaws. Other than the shade match, this looks stunning on my skin. I did prime with the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. This looks good. Here, let me zoom you in. You can see what I'm looking at. Alright. I feel like I'm just looking at skin. It looks like my skin just tan. I mean, I do get this tan. I'm gonna say so far impressive. Let me go off and finish up, well, apply a face of makeup, and then I'll be back and I will let you know how it applied. But so far, we're liking this. So cross your fingers, because I already have it. And cross your fingers for me, okay? All right, so let's go over the makeup really quickly. For my bronzer, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. It is medium. For my blush, I use the AF94 in First Prize, and that is the color. That is Halsey's more affordable brand for her About Face. They sell that at Walmart. Alright, for highlighter, I use the Head in the Clouds Mini Mix Face Palette, and I used this Fantasy shade right here. I put that above by my brow bone, and then I use that as my highlight. My eye look is a Palette Picker Tuesday live. Those are usually about an hour and a half lives. So if you'd like to go back and check out how I came up with this eye look and what palette I used, feel free to investigate. Alright, so for my tight line, I use the Avon True Colors Glimmer Stick in Blackest Night. For my waterline, I use the LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner in Hypnotic. For my lash, for my mascara, I use the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. My lashes are AOA Studio in the style Alexis. My lip liner is the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Mauve. And my lipstick is the Balm Meet Matte Hues in Charming. And my setting spray is the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Alright, so the makeup applied beautifully. This foundation still looks beautiful. I'm highly encouraged by this foundation. It's pretty and it's dewy. It's not like shiny. It's just kind of dewy. Not overly so, just enough. And like I said, I did use the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer from Ciate London, but I've never had it really affect a foundation like immensely, so I'm assuming it's all the foundation. So far, I'm a fan. Alright, so I will come back when I go to pick up kids with a natural lighting, a look at what it looks like in natural lighting. And yeah, then I'll be back later on tonight, let you know how it's worn. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. We are very glowy. Very glowy. The shade match is not great, and it just isn't. However, the coverage, no, I haven't lost any coverage on my nose. There's a little bit of coverage here where my glasses hit. It's looking pretty. I think it looks pretty. I got glitter all over the place, but if I had a better shade, or I wear it during the summer, it's very pretty. Look. I don't know if you can tell or see the glow. Well, I can see the glow. It's just, I can't find another word for it other than pretty. It's sitting on my face really nicely. And, I mean, it is coming off on my glasses. On the, right there. I mean, it is what it is. Kind of all makeup or all foundation does that to me. So it is what it is. But yeah, I'm liking this so far. I can't find anything to pick at yet. So I guess wait till tonight to see if I find something to pick at. All right, I'll see you in a few. All right, it's the end of the day and we spent all day with this Mizon Snail Repair Intensive BB Cream. And from where I'm sitting, it doesn't look that bad. But let me zoom you in and we can pick it apart together. So there is a little bit of dryness between my eyes, and it's not clinging right there. I've lost coverage on my nose. A little bit on my cheeks, it looks like. Around my mouth, as always, and on my chin. However, there's a spot right here where it's looking very dry and not so nice. However, the rest of my face, to me, looks pretty good. This is a good summer shade for me. Not so much in the winter. A little bit dark. But it's light enough I can wear it during the summer, so I'm excited about this. So for me, yes, the Mizon Snail Repair BB Cream is a big, huge yes for me. I love this. It's not crawling into any lines or being funky too many places. I mean, it is 10 o'clock, so that makes this a 12-hour wear test. No, 13-hour wear test. Yeah, it's doing pretty good for 13 hours, I would say. The Mizon Snail Repair, and my face still kind of feels nice and what's the word? Not moisturized, but not dried out. It feels nice and plump. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm actually pretty impressed. I mean, I figured it would be decent, because, you know, snail mucin is really good for you. But I don't think it's gonna be this nice. I'm gonna have to write down in the comments what my face felt like after I wash it, because I've been wearing this stuff all day. Anyways, so big huge yes for me. Alright, I hope that helps somebody figure out if that's gonna work for them. Yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff is down below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.